I just got back from doing my grocery pickup and I wanted to share with you all something that I have found helpful over the past year or so. As a lot of you know, I have had to cut out caffeine, any sort of artificial dyes, and I also try to avoid artificial sweeteners in my diet. So I love me some iced coffee, but that is officially a no-no now. So what I have found helps to kind of take that craving away is AHA water. It does not have any sort of artificial coloring or flavors. There's no caffeine in some of the flavors, so you have to watch out. But I have orange grapefruit right here, and I also have lime watermelon. And there are a couple other flavors that I like that I'll put in the comment section. But I have found that this is something I like to open up in the mornings and start drinking. And every once in a while, I still want the iced coffee, but this is helping. I have found AHA water at Walmart, Aldi, and for my North Carolina people, I've also found it at Lowe's Foods, and I think they have it at Harris Teeter. So let me know in the comment section if you have found something like AHA water, or if you have another technique that you have used that has helped you cut out things like soda or those delicious sugary iced coffee drinks. And I can't wait to hear from you. My name is Sarah Van Dyke, and most of you probably know me as the marketing and public relations person with Lebanon Insurance. But what you might not know is that I am also a licensed physical therapist with 16 plus years of experience in various wellness and healthcare settings. What I would like to do with this series of videos is to share some of the knowledge and tricks and tips that I've learned over the years, not only through my formal training, but also in working to manage my own health as well. Now, nothing that I share will take the place of an in-person physical therapy evaluation or treatment, and I am not a licensed dietitian or a registered dietitian, so if I share anything related to food or diet, it will simply just be things that I've learned over the years that have worked for myself or people that I've worked with. So I hope to help you and give a few tips for those who are working, especially in a more sedentary work setting, and those who need some motivation and just some tips about how to manage your daily health routine. So let's get healthy together.